Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back. Adam here at Kinion Classic Cars in Clarence, Iowa. This afternoon, we are going to do a walk-around startup and a drive video on a 1979 Chevrolet Camaro Z28. This car has a 350 engine under the hood, automatic transmission, has power steering and power brakes, and it is equipped with factory air conditioning. Now, this car is an original survivor, I'd call it. It has had one repaint. It is a 35,000 original mile car, and this car is beautiful. The paint, body, interior, very, very nice shape on this car. When I bought this car, the car came out of Tennessee. And when I bought this car, it had the original tires on it. I just took the original tires off on Saturday and put a new set of BF Goodrich Radial TA raised white letters on it. The original tires, as you would probably expect, were dry rotted, so that's why we put the brand new set of tires on it. But the original owner, well, the owner that we got it from, he bought it from the original owner. He said that he didn't want to put new tires on it because he thought it was more original with the original tires on it. So they were wore, so we replaced them. Gorgeous tan interior. Package tray, sail panels, rear seat belts, headliner, seats, door panels, everything's in really nice shape on this car. When I seen this car, I said, I gotta have this car because, man, what a great car. Doors open and shut great. Body lines are perfect. And you don't see this color that often on these cars. They said this and the green, the dark green, were the rarest colors on these cars. Does everybody like this color? No, maybe not everybody likes it, but I like it. I think it's super cool. Space Saver spare, the jack. There's some extra belts in there. Jack instructions. Super nice car. The glass is all crystal clear in the car. The trim around the windows is in very good shape. Paint on the car is very nice. Tilt wheel, AM/FM cassette. Just a very, very well cared for, well kept car. 35,979 miles. All original interior. Wipers, horn, headlights, dash lights, dome light, radio, left turn, right turn. Glove box light works. The AC on the car, it will work. The lighter works. The compressor was good. The clutch was the bearing must have went bad in the clutch. I just ordered a whole new compressor for it. The guy said, oh, you can probably just put a clutch on it, but I said, no, I'll just put a brand new compressor on it. So we got the brand new compressor on order. It'll be here in 2 days. We'll get that thrown on. Underneath the hood, just like the interior, it's all original. I just wasn't going to hold the car up over the AC compressor. It's getting a new one. I'm honest with you. I'm telling you what we're doing to it. Look at the hood insulator. This car is just so nice. Such a pretty car. I love them three different colors of brown, tan stripes on it with the black Z28 decal call outs. We'll take it for a little cruise here. There's no bubbles or blisters on the bottom of the car, on the doors, the fenders, the quarter panels, nothing that I see. The underneath this car is beautiful. I will put pictures up on our website of the undercarriage here in a little while. Just a super, super sharp car. Shut them lights off on these. I bought this car and then I drove it down the road and I'm like, holy cow, this is like to me, it's like a time capsule. You jump in this thing and it just rides and drives so nice. Down the road, super nice. The only gauge I see that don't work is the clock. Fuel gauge, amp gauge, speedometer, tach, temp gauge, they all work. Somebody was telling me the other day that, well, them clocks aren't hard to fix. They get dirty and then they quit working. But never, gotta honestly say, I guess I shouldn't say I never mess with one, but very rarely do I mess with one of them clocks. So maybe I can figure out how to be an expert on fixing clocks. So nice and quiet inside. No wind leaks. Just a nice tight car. Had one little chip here that I'm going to touch up right here. Not the only chip or nick I see in the car, so I'll get that touched up. Looks like a rock might have just came up and just took a little chip on it. Took a little chip out of it, so we'll get that fixed for you. Gorgeous afternoon here in Iowa. Be a gorgeous afternoon for somebody to purchase a 79 Z28. When you sit in the seats in this car, the seats sit so nice, just like it rolled off the showroom floor. I mean, Kinion Classic Cars, Clarence, Iowa, 563-452-2450. www.kinionauto.com, K-I-N-I-O-N auto.com. We buy, sell, and trade classic cars and muscle cars every day. So give us a call on this gorgeous 79 Z28 Camaro. Really appreciate everyone watching my videos, and if you have not subscribed yet, please hit that red subscribe button. That way you never miss another great quality collector car. Those of you who have, thank you very much. I hope you have a great afternoon, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Thanks for watching.